This is where we left off in the last video. All it says to do is press any key, so I'll just press the space bar and my console window goes away. Yay! All right, let's change this a little bit so that it actually does the same thing, but you can see a little bit of the versatility of C++. I'm going to go up here, and instead of actually putting this on in one quote, I want to put it in two, so I'm just going to show you the versatility. I'm going to click there and leave a little space and press my quote, and you notice now that I have two quotes. So I'm going to have an opening and closing quote. I'll go ahead and close that up. And now you'll notice that I've got these two quotes. I want to go ahead and make sure that I have everything that I need. So I'm going to just separate those two like so. And now it should say the same thing. It should say hello world, but instead of it being in one string, it's actually in two strings. So let's go up and compile and run that. You'll notice it says the same thing. All right, let's go ahead and change it again. Let's come down here, and rather than have it appear on one line, we'll have it appear on two lines. So I'll press Enter, put in my cout, and instead of leaving it just like this, I need to put a semicolon at the end. Now you'll notice that I've got my cout hello, and then another cout world, and then my return 0. Let's go run that. There's my compile and run, and you'll notice it looks the same. So you could have done it any one of three different ways. I'll just press a key, and now we want to go ahead and put one more thing in there. We want it to say hello world, and then we want a blank line in there. So I'm going to make one more change. I'm going to come down here and put cout, and then my operator, and now I'm going to put an end of line code. So this is ENDL. That's ENDL. I'll press enter to accept that one. That means line break. So now it should say hello world and then a line break before the rest of the text. Let's go ahead and compile and run that. And you'll notice it does say hello world, a line break, and then the processing returns 0 because we expected that. That's what we put down there. Execution time was 0.449. Wow. And then it says press any key. I'll press any key, and I'm back. One more thing. Let's take this, and in the name of economy and good programming, let's make it all as economical as possible. Let's put it all on one line. So I'm going to take out my semicolon here and just press the delete key and bring that up. I'll take the cout here, and we've already seen that this code will work. So I'm also going to take out the semicolon there, and I'll take out the cout, and you'll notice I've got one line of code, hello string, world string, and then my ENDL. Let's go ahead and run this. Compile and run, and we get the same thing, although the code looks a whole lot better.